Hey everyone, I figured it was time to post a new video giving you the scoop on a new sound module that I discovered, which has saved me a ton of money. This, as I'm showing, my current dump truck has a servonaut in it, the SMT version, which has no turbo, and I've been desperately wanting to find a turbo version of it, but it's very expensive. So I ended up settling for a Chinese knockoff, but it looks quite a bit similar to the servonaut system. And just it showed up the other day, and finally got a chance to check it out. So I was pleasantly surprised to discover the type of sound effect and quality it has. So I'm going to make this into a sound test video. So first we're going to try the truck with the German-made servonaut SMT. So as you notice, there was no turbo whine or whistle that you could hear. Now I'm going to fire up this Chinese module that I picked up. It has a little more subtle air brake sounds and air discharge. But you can definitely tell and hear the turbo on this one. So I am very pleasantly surprised when I purchased what I thought was a lower grade, no turbo sound module, and it turns out to have turbo and is pretty sweet. The speaker's too large. I won't be using it for my build. It came with the purchase, but I'll be using this little guy that has surprising kick and sounds great too. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.